Shocking reasons why you should eat flax seeds. We'll discuss the incredible health benefits of flax seeds. One of flax seeds' most significant health benefits is it helps with cholesterol. Flax seeds are packed with nutrients like omega-3 fatty acids and fiber, which experts suggest can help promote your heart health. Flax seeds are also one of the best sources of lignans. Flax seeds are also suitable for those trying to manage their weight. Flax seeds can lower blood pressure. Flax seeds are very effective in reducing your blood pressure levels. Flax seeds are great for diabetes. Flax seeds offer protection against cancer. Flax seeds can help promote your digestive health by containing good amounts of insoluble fiber. Experts suggest flax seeds can help in decreasing the pain in your joints. They're packed with various types of important vitamins and minerals. Even one serving can give you a good amount of protein, omega-3 fatty acids, and fiber. 1 tablespoon of flax seeds comes to around 7 grams and gives you as much as 2 grams of fiber and approximately 1 gram of protein.